Here at iFixit, our mission is to teach everyone to repair everything. Our free online repair guides and community of experts have helped millions of people repair their own devices, extending their lives and keeping them out of landfills. Using insights from creating thousands of repair guides, we've built the best possible toolkits for any repair. Our signature black and blue tools are designed in-house in California, where we strive to constantly adapt to any new repair challenges that stand in the way of the average person. From providing people with the harder-to-find bits found in many Apple products like Pentalobe and Y000, to changing the way we approach repair procedures. You can count on iFixit to walk you through the best way we know how to complete a repair safely and with the highest success rate. We pride ourselves on the quality of our tools and use only the highest quality materials available to us. We believe in them so much, we even offer a lifetime warranty on all our iFixit quality tools. If something breaks, we'll replace it for as long as you own your tools. At iFixit, we've got the exact tool you'll need for any repair.